Hey everybody, this is Robert Milton from Hobby Hardwood Alabama. The other day I was going through our old computer hard drives and I found an old video that we had filmed years ago. It was a video of my wife, myself, and my oldest daughter sawing wood on our very first sawmill. It was a Wood-Mizer LT15, 15 horsepower, manual everything, manual hand crank, manual set works, manual feed, manual log turner, manual everything. It was probably one of the first logs we'd ever sawn, certainly as a team. And watching the video, we all got a great big laugh out of it. It's a hoot, especially near the end. I hope y'all enjoy it. We've come a long way since then, but it's always fun to watch the old videos and remind ourselves what humble beginnings we did start with. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. It's really a pretty cool video. Thank you.
First good log.
Can we roll it up?
I'm going to turn the camera off now.